to add money to PayPal with Paysafecard. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with your Paysafecard. So first of all, just open the Paysafecard official website and just simply log into your account and get your Paysafecard handy with you. And once you get the Paysafecard with you, you need to copy the Paysafecard number right here. As you can see on the screen, you will have your unique Paysafecard number if you have the Paysafecard with you. If you don't have the Paysafecard, just go ahead and apply for a Paysafecard in the 4 simple steps. And once you will get the card, you need to copy the Paysafecard number with you. And once you have the Paysafecard number with you, just open and just go to your PayPal account, and after that just simply log into your PayPal account using your credentials. And in order to add the money to your PayPal account, you need to click on the Pay and Get Paid section from the list given below at the top menu, and over here just click on Bank and Cards right here under the Payment Method section. And after that you will be able to see 2 different options like bank account and credit and debit card. So under the credit and debit card, just simply click on Link a Card. And over here, you need to paste the Paysafecard number that you have just copied from your Paysafecard official website. Just copy the number from here, and after that, just paste it right here. And after that, just enter the card type that you are using. For example, you are using the Paysafecard, and after that, just simply enter the expiration date of the card and along with the security code and other details like your billing address. And after that, just simply click on Linked Card. And once your Paysafecard has been linked to your PayPal account, then you will be able to transfer the money quite simply. So this is basically how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with your Paysafecard. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.